Hello, 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 and welcome, welcome, welcome. This is just a little prelude. I've given this a name now. This is Waltzing Matilda, and through the sanding, what this beautiful timber has imparted is far greater than would first appear. Yes, there is beauty in the wood grain. Yes, it reveals a picture. Yes, it can be appreciated. But the true value, the true bounty, the true gold is what is communicated as I've been sanding. So I invite you to watch for the video called Waltzing Matilda, coming very, very soon.